Hi guys, just a quick one from me. Just wanted to show you this little atmosphere plug and how it can really fill out your low mids. I'm going to link you to the MIDI and the channel strip if you're on Logic, and also a screenshot of the effects and also the Serum preset if you're not on Logic. So no excuse not to use this, or should I say no reason you can't use this. And lots of people miss the space between the bass and the pads. Of course, on the main sections, the mid bass kind of takes care of this. But even still, you still have space, I find, between the sub and the mid bass, where there's like a section of low mids that generally a lot of people miss. It's something that I teach quite heavily in my lessons. And just a little example of it here. Just got an atmosphere plug by Serum. Super simple sound, but you're going to hear what a difference it makes. So we'll play the pad, the bass drum part 1 and part 2. Somehow layered these, but it sounds good. This one's like a higher one. It's on the same octave actually, but it's a different sound. What we're going to do next is put in this atmosphere plug. Super simple. So something as simple as this little tacky, shitty sound can really fill out your track. And it's about, sometimes it's not about hearing it's not always about hearing, but it's about feeling, if that makes sense. Sometimes you can't really hear something until you mute it, and that feeling of the low mids being occupied kind of disappears, if you know what I mean. You don't have to do an ARP. I'm sure you can just do a Reese bass and kind of follow the key if you want, but in this case this works really nicely. I was just playing about with ARPs. So I will add all this to this post, and hopefully it helps you out.